Well, in today's video, I'm going to make a review about this website and to show whether it's legit or not. Making money online just by watching videos are now becoming popular in a way that some people are decided to start creating a website that can mislead people, waste people time, and also take advantage of people to make money. Because of they are looking for ways to make money, you decided to hurt them, or just decided to waste their time and collect the one they have. So in today's video, I will be exposing some sites or this particular website to tell you whether it's legit and what I think about the website. If truly is legit, you guys will see it in my screen. If it's not legit, also you guys will see also it in my screen. And also, I noticed that a lot of you guys have not subscribed to the channel. Up to 90% of us are not yet subscribed. If you are new to the channel, please take out time to click the button to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and also like this video in order to reach so many people, in order to correct them not to make this mistake of finding ways to make money and also get misled by these websites. So without further ado, let's go. The name of the website I'm going to talk about, or I'm going to make a review about, is called lemurmoney. This particular website, I decided to make a video about it recently in my channel, but I tried to withdraw, tried to make some experiments, decided to do some stuff, but I don't understand what the website is talking about. So I decided to make this video in order to show you guys, for you guys to be aware about this website. So over here, this is the screen, and you have to see that I already created account in this website, and the magic part is that I'll perform a lot of tasks, still nothing is showing. So right now, let's go over to member area. So if I go over to member area, this particular dashboard was having money inside, and what this is that I click on this to watch video, and I watch it completely, try to withdraw. I don't know what he's talking about. So what I have to do now is to do the video. Some parts I will be cutting some parts in order to safeguard our time and to reach the actual goal. So if I go back to this, I click on the stuff. Let me lower. Okay, it's lowered. So you have to see right now the video is now making some stuff. As you see, the video is 13 minutes. So what I have to do now is to save our time is to cut this part to the end for you guys to see, than wasting you guys time. So what I have to do now is to cut. I'm going to watch it completely on my own base, then cut it. I decided to cut here. What I noticed in this website is this website is definitely showing videos, the same videos at the same time, watching it over and over again, and I don't know the reason why that is happening. But you have to see right now that watching this video, I've already made $54.19, and that's it. Let's just keep watching. Okay, you have to see that definitely I've cut some parts. It took me a lot of time to watch this. As you see that I'm currently earning $90.77, which is huge amount of money in your country, Nigeria. So as you see that this, I'm actually watching it, as you see it here, and I'm not skipping any actual parts in this video. I'm not skipping any particular parts in here. And this particular thing is, the surprise part is that I have watched it, I have made money on the former one. Coming back to check, I was seeing $0, sorry, and that's kind of confusing. So let's continue with our cutting. Okay, you have to see right now that I watched this to this part. I was kind of feeling hit so I decided to pull out the sweater. So you have to see that I've watched this to this part, and currently I've made close to $106, and I think I've reached the withdrawal limit or the withdrawal point. So right now you have to see, let's just take our cash out from this website. So withdraw your earnings here. So I have to click on request payment. What? Okay, let's see what they talked in this website. You say, warning, we noticed that some videos have not been watched in the entirety, and parts were skipped. You guys have seen, I didn't skip anything. My MB has skipped. So okay, please note that in order to withdraw your earnings, you must watch the video until the complete end, and do not skip through them. To unlock your earnings, please go back and complete your unwatched videos. How will I complete it? And the bad part of it is that they are using this particular stuff to give out like to convince people to say that they are skipping parts. Why me? I watched it cut how many hours doing this particular video. Still they are saying that and currently I don't know, but what I'm seeing here in the screen shows that this website you are seeing is a scam. Let me show you how it is a scam. So they say I've not watched some parts, so I should go back and complete those parts. So I'm going to go back for them to show me the parts. For them to show me the parts, you have to see that the money I made in this website, they will pull it away. Let me show you something. So if you go back, you have to see that I started over again. After taking hours to watch, I started over again, and I will start from beginning to watch to end, and they will tell me that is not what I skipped some parts. I should go back. This is what you keep on doing, wasting your data, wasting your time, and definitely nothing is coming out. So therefore, this website have showed us that there is numerous of them that out there that will deceive a lot of people, telling you to watch and make money, and definitely they are not. So in that part, I'm going to show you that this website currently is a scam website. So anybody that talks about watching videos on this website and make money, know that that actually person is leading to you to a scam website. Avoid this website for you not to waste your time. And also, if you like this video, kindly comment what you think, and if you have withdrawn before on this website, also comment that I have withdrawn, so that I am going to ask you one-on-one on how you did it, because I did it and I waste my data. So that's it, and we'll be showing you a lot of videos on how to make money online, on how to make money watching videos, how to make money listening to music, with practicals, not the one you will sit back and start watching and make money. There's nothing free in this world. You have to put in the practical parts, and then you make more money. And also, I will be also bringing out a tutorial class of how to make money as a beginner in online base. So if this is what you are interested in, comment that yes, I'm interested in that. Let me show you this particular thing you guys to be doing and be making money for yourself as a beginner. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I would like to hear from you and hear your thoughts. See you some other time. Thank you and peace out.